In this tutorial, we are going to create this animation.
Dopamine detox is really just a hard reset, okay? So that shouldn't be something that you're doing for, months and months and months.
So let's create a new composition. And for assets, we are going to use freepik.com, where we can find our free vector. And for this animation, we are going to work with this one. And always see that there was a Illustrator file. And also make sure to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. And for separating the layers of the vector, I am using Photopia. So you can import the Illustrator file in Photopia, and now we can remove the background. And also change the canvas size to 1920 by 1080. Now we have to remove the background cloth and the lines. We are going to take out the table layers outside of the object main layer. And we are going to create the folder of these two layers and name it table, and place the table layer beneath the object main layer. Select the hands of the vector and take them out of the main object layer. Make a folder of these layers and name it hands. After all this, we are going to save as PSD file, and we are going to import this into our composition. And always select editable layer style and composition retain layer style. Create a new solid and import gradient RAM on this. Change the color to red and whatever theme you want. Now select our vectors and import into our composition. Double click on that and we are going inside of the composition. And now scale the table a little bit and set it according to our canvas. And now we have to use puppet tools on the hands. We are going to create 4 pins and animate it. First 2 seconds, take them in, and after 2 seconds, we are going to take them a little bit out. So that our vector has a little bit movement and it gives us a good look. After making our pins and animating them, we are going to select all of them and press F9. Now we are going to import tint on the vectors and choose gray. Now for the stroke, we have to create a shape layer. And for dotted lines, we are going on the stroke and add dashes. You can always play with these numbers and make it more good. And also make sure to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. It helped me to make more tutorials like this. And if you follow all the steps of mine, you can also make the same animation like this.